We sat down to try to go through what all of our possible candidates for our Teacher of the Year here at Wagner High School. It was unanimous on the administrative staff because this year's been very challenging on so many different levels for our teachers. And she was one of the first teachers like, okay, we can stop it. We got this. We're going to do it. I tried this out, and she readily started trying things out with online learning, with bringing in different types of materials into her classroom that we hadn't thought of before because we're in a unique situation this year. And then she became one of those go-to teachers, became a master, and started training other teachers around without me even going to her. And I've seen her just go over and beyond every single thing, just beyond just even teaching in the classroom, just making this place, making Wagner High School the place to be in Judson ISD.
I'm elated, surprised. I feel honored because it actually represents my students, and they inspire me every day to do my best and challenge me every day to do my best. And so this is not only an award that I'm receiving, it's they're receiving it too, because this is why I come to school every day. This is my 23rd year, and I think what inspired me was when I was going through high school. I had some pretty good teachers, but I had a teacher that just took the time and really made things come alive. And it just made me realize that this is what I want to be. And if I was that excited about coming to his class, I wanted to be a part of that world. Every year I still spend my summers learning to be a lifelong learner. I mean, truly a lifelong learner. Bring, that information that I've learned to these guys, because this is what counts, is these guys right here.
I really appreciate her because not only is she really intelligent with the way that she teaches her class and how she gets information across, she's also very helpful with things that are not necessarily only in class. She lets us do the things that we want to do as long as we get the information across.
I feel honored to go on and represent Judson at the Trinity Prize application because Judson has been so good to me throughout my years teaching, my 29 years of teaching. I get to do the job that I love to do for a living, and I get paid enough to take care of me and my family doing what I love every day. And that is all I want for my students, and I want them to learn that with hard work and good character, they can achieve almost anything they want to achieve, and that they can grow up and do what they like to take care of their families.
We are blessed to have Miss Anderson because we get to bring our children in here. Right now it's twice a week, the pre-K 4 kids, which you would think would be a little chaotic with a room full of 4-year-olds. She works magic with them. She has taught them how to sing, she has taught them how to dance, and beginning next week, they too will learn the marimbas.
So has kiddos, some kiddos will be learning a particular song, and she'll have others that she'll be helping on the side with their math lessons or their science lessons. So she ambidextrous, she'll be doing everything she can, not only in music, but also in their classwork. They have to keep their grades up in order to even remain in the groups. She doesn't have just one group or two groups. She has several groups to make sure she meets the needs of all interests of children. And it really inspires kids to come to school every day as well.